If you haven't seen the new feature inside the Conversion Pros called drag and drop, it is a game changer. And we're about to show you how it works real quick, and then you can take a free trial and try it for yourself. I'm just going to go create a page. Let's say I wanted to create a capture page. I'm just going to grab this here, and I'm going to switch to our beta builder, which is our drag and drop. Now, let's say you wanted to do a weight loss page. Maybe you're in the weight loss business and you want to do a weight loss page. Just as an example, just so you know, this works with any product, any service, any business there is. But I got to do an example. So let me just grab a background real quick in our system here. So let's just say I like this. This will look on a mobile phone. Confirm. All right. Now, here's how cool the drag and drop is. Beside each one of these texts, you could delete the component if you want. So I'm just going to delete a couple things here. Like that. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to edit this content real quick and just say, people are losing 20 pounds in 3 weeks. All right. Now, here's another cool thing that you can do. Let's say you wanted to really showcase something. I can showcase a word like that if I want. Hit stop editing. I could also, if I want, we have over 700 fonts built in the Conversion Pros, so I could just go over here, and if I want to change to a fun font, we have 700, so it makes it extremely fun to play with your pages. Again, there's no technical skills here. All I'm doing is using a drop down box, and it will change just like that. So fun. All right, so now I'm going to edit this content, and maybe I got a sample I want to give people. So want results link below, sign up for our free sample. Alright, now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change the text here. And here's what's really cool. See this teal in her shirt? Let's say I want to change it to that color. I can literally come in here into our color compounds and find something very similar to that. And a little background shadow here. What you can also do is change the opacity of this box. See how I just made it darker? I could go all the way up with it if I want. Or I can just lighten it up as much as I want. Or I can literally change the color if I want. So there's so much customization you can do. Now let me show you how to drag and drop, how cool it is. So we're going to do a capture page first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the set of components. And see, you can drag and drop text, images, all kinds of stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to add an image here. I'm going to click on edit content. And I am just going to go find a great picture here. Add the URL in. And hit save. And so you can drag and drop pictures right here into the capture page. Now let's say I wanted to edit this. Take a free tour and learn more. I'm going to actually change that. I'm going to first of all make all the text white so it pops out. And then I'm just going to change what it says to get a free sample, fill in the form. Get a free sample, fill in the form below. Now, here's what's really cool about the Conversion Pros is we allow you, so let's say you were actually wanting to mail somebody a free sample. Well, you see it says name, email, and phone number. Well, over here in customization, you could just get a full address if you want as well. So now you have a mailing address, so you can actually drop a sample right in the mail to them. Just so you can show you some of the other things. You could just get name and email if you want, or you could have no form at all. But I'm going to go back to that full address because we want to mail people a sample in this example. Now, I'm going to change this button. So instead of saying take a free tour, I'm just going to say click here, or get sample actually. Get sample. And what we're also going to do is this blue color here, since I like it, you can actually get the color code. So I'm going to get that exact color code because I like my pages to look very high end. And in the background here, instead of this yellow, we're just going to go bam, and add that background shadow. We'll choose black. Like that. The text will actually make black on this too, so stop editing. Okay, we also have where you can add your social network buttons. We want on this for this example. And then I'll name this get sample. Name the page, redirect it to a URL. We could add an autoresponder to it that's built in our system and save it. That easy. Well, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you something really cool. Is I'm going to go over here to our pages. And we see we have this page now. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a share code, because we give you share codes of pages. I'm going to paste it in a box and hit copy the page, and it's going to copy that exact page. So I'm going to hit refresh here, and then you can see that page I did. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to edit this new page. And I'm just going to edit this real quick. I'm just going to come over here, switch it to our beta builder. And click on this one here and say edit content. Watch our webinar on our product. Okay. Well, on the last one they filled in this form, so we're going to remove the form now. And what I'm going to do is use our drag and drop. So edit, and I'm going to grab a YouTube video. And I'm going to just drop it in. See how easy that was? And then if I go to YouTube, weight loss, let's say it was coffee. All right. So I'll just grab any YouTube video here. It doesn't matter. And I will come back over to our page here. Edit content. You paste in the YouTube video. You could turn off related videos. You can turn on autoplay. You can turn on looping, controls, all this kind of stuff. Hit save. Bam! It automatically puts that video right there. And then let's say I want to delete this component like that. And let's say I wanted to add another picture. Well, let me say I want to add text. Get results like this, and then I could add another, great before and after picture. And I just find a picture I want, and I'm going to drag it over here, and we're going to edit it. I'm going to paste the picture in. I don't know if this picture will work here. Let me try it. There we go. Get results like this, and then I can do this. Just change this real quick. Get started with our company. And instead of saying get sample here, I can change it to join now. And then what I'm going to do is, you could put your link here. What I'm going to do is just save this, for example. And then I'm going to show you something really cool. Edit this page. I can connect that page to the other one. So let me show you how this whole thing works. So I built an entire sales funnel. So drag and drop pictures in here. You could drag and drop multiple pictures, by the way. So someone says, I want a sample here. And they start to fill this out. And they say, give me a sample. Bam! Not only do you get that sent to you right away, but now that person can watch your video. You could drag and drop before and after pictures. They could connect with your company. You could put your join link right here, and you can connect as many pages as you want. You can add as many videos to a page as you want, change the text, the colors, the fonts, the backgrounds, all this stuff. The drag and drop is off the chain. Everybody's loving how easy it is to build absolutely awesome pages. Works with any product, any service, anything. You can take a free trial. The conversion grows for 7 days. No credit card required at all. And try it out and see how you love it too. See you in the next video.